Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, flip the Casio so the case back faces down, and secure it on a soft cloth. Use a spring bar tool or 1.0 pin pusher to engage the exposed spring bar shoulder. Push toward the lug hole to compress it. Once the bar retracts slightly, tilt the strap away while maintaining lateral pressure. This prevents the bar from popping and losing tension. Make sure to collect the spring bars immediately in a tray, because lost bars are the most common delay. Now you fit the new strap halves. Align one spring bar end into the lug's fixed hole and hold it steady with a fingertip. Using the tool, compress the opposite end and guide it into the lug notch slowly. Angle the strap slightly so the bar clears the recess. Once you feel resistance, release tension gently. You should hear or feel a click as the shoulder seats. Make sure the strap sits flush against the case to avoid pinching or uneven wear. Finish by checking security. Tug each strap gently and move it through its range. You want minimal lateral play. About 1 to 2 mm can be acceptable, but less is better. If the strap shifts or you hear grinding, reseat the spring bar and repeat insertion. Sometimes a different diameter bar fits better, and that corrects looseness. If a bar won't clip, inspect the lug hole for debris. One troubleshooting tip: if the bar keeps slipping, swap to a new spring bar of the correct length and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.